Oh, Happy New Year! How we feeling? Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you, sir. Happy New Year to you, man, on the camera. Happy New Year to everybody up there. Happy New Year to you, brother in the classes. Happy New Year to everybody at home. We have an Irishman. It's New Year's Eve, no one knows the words to this song anyway. So let's make some new ones, come on. I'll see it again. Our daddies paid our sin, forgot our rest. The days gone by, the past was nothing over us. Time to leave it all behind. The old is gone, the new is come. For all mankind, for all he's done, he's just begun, and the future starts tonight.
It is Mercedes-Benz Stadium right here, Passion 2020. Happy New Year from Lori and I. What an amazing night. Thank you to our host pastors, Louie and